Hello everyone, this is Dr. Marie here, and today let's talk about facial muscles. They are also known as mimetic muscles because they control facial expression, and we can also call them muscles of facial expression. Let's talk about some of them. Here you can see a scheme where different facial muscles are shown. Facial muscles are just under the skin. They generally originate from the surface of the skull bones and insert on the skin of the face. When they contract, the skin moves and we can express our feelings and we can speak and we can open and close our eyes and mouth. Okay, let's begin with the frontalis muscle. This is the muscle which helps us to open our eyes, to elevate our eyebrows. Also, it wrinkles the forehead. Here you can see the Obicularis oculi muscle. This is a sphincter. It surrounds our eye, and the function of this muscle is to close an eye like that or like that. Okay, here you can see Nasalis muscle. The function of this muscle is to flare nostrils like that. Let's talk about Lavator of the Anguli Oris. This muscle elevates the corner of the mouth and helps us to open mouth and to smile. Let's talk about zygomaticus muscles. There are two zygomaticus muscles in our organism: the zygomaticus major and zygomaticus minor. I'm sorry. They are muscles of facial expression which draw the angle of the mouth superiorly and posteriorly to allow one to smile. These muscles are also known as smiling muscles. They help us to smile like that. Also, we must talk about Aureus muscle. In Russian, we call this muscle laughing muscle because this muscle helps us to open our mouth widely, like we do when we are laughing. Also, Aureus muscle helps us to smile widely, like that. Let's talk about this muscle. This is a Obicularis Oris muscle. It is a sphincter which surrounds mouth. The function of this muscle is to close our mouth like that. Also, this muscle puckers lips as it is going for a kiss like that. Also, this muscle helps us to keep food in our mouth while chewing. Let's talk about Depressor Anguli Oris. This muscle is also known as this muscle is associated with frowning because it lowers the corner of our mouth and as we do when we are sad and frowning, like that. And the last but not least is the Mentalis muscle. So Mentalis muscle is situated at the tip of the chin. It is sometimes referred to as a pouting muscle due to it raising the lower lip and causing chin wrinkles, like that. So, my dear friends, I tried to show you work of different muscles of facial expression, and I tried to show you how these muscles work and helps us to show our emotions and expressions and our feelings. I hope that this information was interesting or useful for you. Thank you for your attention. Stay safe and sound.